Welcome to 3 Minutes of Mindfulness for Beginners. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. You're invited to close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's take 2 deep breaths together. We'll inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And one more time. Inhale and let go. Exhale. Returning to the normal breath. Noticing the breath in the chest, nostrils, as it moves through the body. Settling your awareness on your body, sensations in the body. Feet, legs, the hands. Continuing to allow the breath to help you settle. Notice if you can cultivate the quality of kindness. Just as you sit, allowing a kind atmosphere. As the natural flow of the breath comes and goes. Notice sensations in the body. Just breathing. Allowing yourself to have a human experience. Connecting to your deepest self. And we'll close with 2 deep breaths. So inhale. And exhale, let go. One more breath, inhale. And exhale, let go. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Have a beautiful day.